Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix FPS drops in League of Legends. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix FPS drops in League of Legends? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, we are in Riot Games support, in League of Legends support.riotgames.com. It says your low frame rates, FPS troubleshooting. Before we go over this, even if you're in this day and age, it is 2023, even if your computer is a toaster, well, you can easily play League of Legends easily. But hey, just in case you can't, change in-game settings. So adjust video settings custom, match desktop resolution, character quality low, very low, shadows, no shadows, very low, 60 FPS, so on and so forth. Adjust interface options, uncheck enable HUD, uncheck show target frame on attack, and this is in-game settings. So you can just click on escape and it's going to show you. Minimize effects of heat, detect heat buildup. So your PC might be overheating sometimes and you won't be able to notice. So maybe that's an issue. You can clean your system registry and disable all in-game sounds, but that's, you don't really need to do that. Most of the time it doesn't really, it's not necessary. But if not, just, reach out to Riot, just see if, the issues on their end. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.